Samma Sambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Namo Namo Babediyo Vivizandu Beya Kathindo Ginyanya Base Gondadi Baba Boko Winadadu Soye Kathindo Ginyanya Base Gondadi Baba Rogo Winadandu Yoga Kathindo Ginyanya Base Gondadi Madi Bondu Andraya Dindudwe Beya Andere Badagumya Mashija Base Gondari Lukhi Diga Yuga Bondu Gosainaba Chanya Dada Adeshija Base Gondari Advoka Diga Yuga Bondu Soye Gengwa Seichanda Zwapi Adeshija Base Gondari Nalanda Degadu Chonari Tin Agolo Hogala Alo Bobabia Webchim Bienani, okay. Nalanda Nala means wisdom. Da means contribution. In this place was founded Nalanda University. Number 16 Kumaragupta. Number 6 Kumaragupta D-Town Nalanda University. Eri Nalanda University jiha Turkey ga Saudi Arabia ga Islam Bada wen Sidda ji de Takazo ji koတိုက်ဖို့လာတာတော့မဟုတ်ဘူးအိန္ဒိယပြည်ကြီးကိုနယ်မြေကျူးကျော်သိမ်းပိုက်ဖို့လာကြတာအဲ့ဒီတူရကီစစ်တပ်နဲ့ဆော်ဒီအာရေဗီးယားကစစ်တပ်ကြီးတွေကနာလန္ဒတက္ကသိုလ်ကြီးကိုဖျက်ဆီးပြီးတော့မိရှို့သွားတာဒါပေမဲ့မွတ်စလင်ခေါင်းဆောင်များကကာကွယ်ပြောတယ်တရုတ်ပြည်အနောက်ပိုင်းကဟမ်ဆိုတဲ့လူဖြူလူရိုင်းနေဖြစ်စီတာပါတရုတ်ဟမ်နေဖြစ်စီတာသူတို့ဖြစ်တာမဟုတ်ပါဘူးလို့ပြောတယ်ဘာပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ် education center ကြီးတစ်ခုဖြစ်စီခံရတာတော့သိကြတယ်This Nalanda University was destroyed by the Muslim army coming from the Turkey, coming from the Saudi Arabia, totally destroyed. 1 year burning. But number 16, Kumaragupta founded this university, reconstructed this university. At the time of King Emperor Ashoka also very strongly supported this university. According to the history mentioned, King Emperor Ashoka, Maurya king, he came here, established Buddhist stupa like Sanchi. According to the history, I said. Therefore, this is the center of Buddhism. Center of Buddhism. Because 7th century AD, 5 young Chinese Buddhist monks and many Chinese monk group coming from the China, walking through the Gobi Desert. Many pilgrims, many scholars were dying in this desert. Some of bravest and boldest scholars only coming through Edukas entered into the Gandhara state, today Pakistan, and coming down to the Punjab, Fariva state, and coming down to the Kapilavastu, Buddha's mother and father's places, Siddhartha Gautama's places. At that time, Kapilavastu also everything destroyed and disappeared. So Buddha expounded in his last word, Handa Dani Bhikkhave Amandayami Vaya Dhamma Sankhara Abhama Dena Samparita, said on the eve of Nirvana, Kuchinagara southwest corner, between the pair of Sala Grove. This is the Buddha's last word. Handa. I'm so tired. Now, I would like to tell you my last word. All compounded and conditional thing constantly flux. All conditioned and compounded thing has their nature constantly flux, disintegration. Therefore, appamadena sambarita. Appamadena sambarita. You be mindful for the Buddhist preservation. Preservation of a Buddha Sasana. Promotions of a Buddha Sasana. Propagations of a Buddha Sasana. Protections of a Buddha Sasana. I think most important thing is the last one. Protection. I already told you in briefly, destroying all of our Buddhist heritage in India. My dear brothers and sisters, therefore you have very responsibility, heavy duty. Number one, to learn Buddha's teaching in detail, to understand in detail, learning. Second, you have duty to propagate the Buddha's teaching everywhere. Not only the India, but also throughout the world. Number three, preservation, promotion. Number three, protection of Buddha Sasana is very, very important. Therefore, I would like to encourage all of my students, you must do these three duties: preservation, propagation, and protection. This is our responsibility, our duty. Now I would like to encourage all of you, myself, Jnanesara, never been to any university to study the PhD, MA, etc. Never been. 1962, 3, 4. 3 years only, I have a chance to study the English and Buddhist propagation, promotion, protection. Sangha University in Gaba A, Yangon, at the time of General Ne Win. General Ne Win running in Myanmar socialist system. 1962 started Sangha University also under the military government. 63, okay. I finished second year my diploma. 64. I finished that year diploma. That year. I finished. I passed my examination. But 1965, Sangha University disappeared. My education also broken. So I searched for the teacher to teach me English. I had a retired teacher from Yangon University, history professor. His name, Dr. So Ten. Dr. So Ten encouraged me. Say me don't be upset. I will help you. He is living in I forgot the name of road, very close to the Juban Island in Ayalek. I stay in Chodengong Monastery. Every evening we meet Juban John under the cocoa bean. Cocoa bean is a rain tree. On the very big root of this tree, lying on the bank of island, we were sitting every evening on this rainy root of a rainy tree. I show small book. Let us from father to her daughter, his daughter, written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru is the Meetam Pizza. Very small booklet, 32 letters. He asked me, Uyanedra, what are you reading? I'm reading this book. But he should take out the very big book, this thick. Seattle, Unyanedra, we start to read this book. I read a name of the book, Glimpses of the World History. Very big book. When in India, Nehru and Gandhi, they was struggling for the Indian independence. But British government arrested, put into the jail for 6 years. Jawaharlal Nehru in that prison wrote a letter almost every day, sent to his daughter, Indira Gandhi, very young. Indira Gandhi went to the England, trying to enter into the Oxford. He missed entrance exam. She missed entrance exam, therefore returned to India. Her father written 109 letters. 109 letters. These letters are called Glimpses of the World History. Dr. Soden started to teach me this book to read. 1 year reading, no school, no college, no university, Jubanchon and the ALA under the rain tree, Kokobe, and about no chair. We were sitting together on the very big room, a Gigi Boma. Time, Nyani Dai, John Puena. Say a day out, the bed day out here. The nature, 1 year. My English really got improved. I never forget my teacher. Under the Kokobe school, finished my degree. I don't know what degree, what kind of a degree, finished. My dear brothers and sisters, today I would like to encourage all of you. Reading make a ready-made. In grammar also, and Sangha University. Very small book. I don't know author's name. Book name of the book, grammar book. Brighter English grammar. Very small, very thin booklet. But my teacher, Dr. Soden, bring in this thick book, high school, English, grammar and composition. He opened one page. He showed me. Hussein, read this letter. Number one, reading make a ready-made. Please repeat after me. Reading make a ready-made. Pata, mya pata. You must read much book. You will be ready in everywhere. Reading make a ready-made. English statesman Francis Bacon said in high school English grammar. Nowadays, where is the high school English grammar? Nobody read now. Always on my table nowadays, in my reading house, in my library. Dignity desire has a web on my shit. Majama Fat. English Nangai Council. Francis Bacon Piodora. I want to repeat again. Reading make a ready-made. Patava. Buene Joey ascending Philip. And second, Papilo Shane level Eddie Dega, Kono Yaya, Kono check lady, Yeta, write and make a complete man. So that write and make a complete man. Yeta peace on the Lude of him. Patalo Shane, Niaraga, send them him. Yeta peace on the Lude of him. Where is Jarama and a female? Nakuyavi. Number 3. Any read loud Harari, write loud Harari, Pat Harari, Yet Harari, machine. That join a book on a discussion loba. Era discussion make a perfect man. Any jama perfect people. Discuss lo bataya. Translation la, David Biora la, grammar la, ama ayun piedwa nain. Umabi nala da. Nala da ga nalanda pied. Nala sura jali, da ga didadi bedeli, ba bedeli. Pinya beda go, ja bedelu biota. Era my dear brothers and sisters, Francis Bacon Zagatholoha, thick a puta. High school English grammar, diggity, Jongdo Modo. Kiluri Yeres Saria, Shilu Hone Yeres Sago, me on Mayina. Dogara Jade, Shilu Hone Yesa Pokon. Kuli Madari Budra Brini Masanelu, so we don't see the Piota. Bidega Fajira, Mohobu, Dari Budraga, Dawatima Brini Masanelu, Bidegama body. Goodia Naladama, huh? Editor. Mogalam Bema Brini Masan, Belubion. Yada Juma, the Kuri Wayet. Dari Budraga, Dwe and Dawati. Number 1, I want to repeat again. Reading make a ready man. Repeat after me. Ready man. Send the pay of Sabyamya Paja. Glimpses of the world history, so that's how. Neruga, Taunega, the meat and Yibis Abama, Dayane, goes on shit. Erisa Ogo, Saya Uso Dinga, Uzen Dapa. So Sangazara, Duro Cat, Twitter on Cat. Dictionary, Gigi, Makaine, New Method Dictionary, Lewada shit. Era lady fine, Dictionary, Layara, Miane. Dr. Sode, I never forget my very, very wonderful teacher. Now he is a passway. Writing make a complete man. No? Writing yetha. Nobody yetha. Complete. Papu akanari ma papu pepa yemala. Samube ma dobolo. This is the yemala. No day myamya looked at a book to ascend the pillar. Reading, writing. Last one. Discussion. Sariga kede, degareka machine, degareka namle. Gore dore dade bogu ne balo discussion. Any jarama perfect piedwa. Eraja today I contribute my experience and knowledge with you here. I am very glad and very happy to share my experience. Number one, so reading make a ready man. Number two, writing make a complete man. Number three, discussion make a perfect man. May all of you be learned student in this Buddha's birthplace of India. May all of you be successful doing for the Buddha Sasana propagation, promotion, protection. Thank you very much. Thank you all.